Okay, Cole, quick test. I say, I don't like horror movies. What do you say if you agree?
I don't like horror movies too.
Wrong.
Wait, what?
And that little mistake right there is exactly why we're making this episode. Because almost every English learner says too when they should say either. And honestly, even some native speakers mess this up.
Okay, I feel exposed.
Good, because today we're breaking down 3 tiny words that cause massive confusion. Either, neither, and rather.
3 small words. 3 big headaches.
But by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use each one, and you'll sound way more natural in real conversations.
So if you've ever said, I don't like it too, or neither I do, or I would rather to go, stay with us. We're fixing all of that today.
Let's start with the one that trips people up the most. Either.
Either. Okay, what does it actually mean?
Either has 2 main jobs. Job number 1, it means also in negative sentences.
So it's like to, but for negatives?
Exactly. When the sentence is positive, you use to. When it's negative, you use either. That's the rule.
Give me an example.
Positive. I like sushi. I like sushi too. Negative. I don't like sushi. I don't like sushi either.
So to is for yes sentences, either is for no sentences.
That's it. Simple. But here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They say, I don't like sushi too. And the moment you say that, it sounds off. It sounds like something is broken in the sentence.
Because to doesn't belong in negative sentences.
Right. Your brain wants to say to because in many languages, the same word works for both. But in English, negative sentences need either.
Okay, let me practice. You say something negative, I'll respond.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry either.
Perfect. I didn't sleep well last night.
I didn't sleep well either.
See? It flows naturally. Now, here's the second job of either. It's used for choices. When you have 2 options and you need to pick one.
Like either this or that.
Exactly. You can sit either here or there. We can watch either a comedy or a thriller. It means choose one, not both, just one of the 2.
So either always lives with or. Either A or B.
Right. They're a pair. Remember that. Either goes with or.
Got it. And now there's something fun that happens with either. When someone asks you to choose and you honestly don't care.
Yes, like, do you want tea or coffee? And you say, either is fine.
Meaning both options work. I'm easy, no preference.
Exactly. That's super common in daily English. Either is fine. Either works for me. Very relaxed, very natural.
Okay, I feel good about either. Let's move to the scary one.
Neither.
Neither. This one confuses me every time.
Okay, let's go slow. Neither is basically the negative version of either. If either means one of 2, neither means not this one and not that one. 0. None. Both rejected.
So either is pick one, neither is I don't want any.
Exactly. Do you want tea or coffee? Neither. I'll just have water.
Both options? Rejected. Cold.
But clear. And that's the power of neither. It's direct. Now, neither also comes in a pair. Just like either or, we have neither nor.
Neither A nor B.
Right. I like neither tea nor coffee. That means not tea, not coffee. Both are a no.
So either goes with or. Neither goes with nor.
Exactly. 2 pairs. Remember them together and you'll never mix them up.
Now here's the part I always struggle with. When someone says something negative and I want to agree, like, I can't cook. And I want to say, me too, but that's wrong, right?
It is, because the sentence is negative. So you have 2 options. Option 1, I can't cook either. Option 2, neither can I.
Neither can I. That sounds fancy.
It sounds more advanced, yes. And here's the structure. Neither, then the helping verb, then the subject. Neither can I. Neither do I. Neither did I. Neither am I.
So the verb and subject flip. Like a question.
Exactly. It's called inversion. But don't worry about the grammar word. Just copy the pattern.
Let me try. I don't understand this.
Neither do I.
I wasn't ready for the test.
Neither was I.
I haven't finished yet.
Neither have I.
Oh, I see the pattern. You just matched the helping verb.
That's it. Whatever helping verb is in the first sentence, do, did, can, will, am, was, have, You repeat it after neither.
And the biggest mistake is saying neither I do instead of neither do I.
Yes, the order matters. Always invert. Neither do I. Never neither I do.
Okay, now there's one more trap with neither that I've heard a lot.
Double negatives.
Yes. People say things like, I don't like neither of them.
And that's wrong because neither is already negative. If you add don't, you have two negatives in one sentence. And standard English doesn't do that.
So what's correct?
Two options. I don't like either of them. Negative verb plus either. Or I like neither of them. Positive verb plus neither.
Choose one negative, not two.
Exactly. One is enough. English likes to keep it clean. If this has been helpful so far, hit that like button. One tap and it helps more English learners find this episode.
Okay, now let's get to the fun one. Rather.
Rather is all about preference. It's how you say what you want without sounding demanding.
Like a polite way to choose.
Exactly. The structure is would rather plus a base verb. I'd rather stay home. I'd rather eat something light. I'd rather not go out tonight.
And I'd is short for I would.
Right. In speaking, almost nobody says I would rather. Everyone says I'd rather. It's faster, smoother.
Now here's a mistake I hear constantly. I would rather to go.
Yes, no to, ever. After would rather, you use the base verb directly. I'd rather go. I'd rather stay. I'd rather eat. No to in between.
So it's not like I want to go, it's I'd rather go. Different structure.
Exactly. And when you're comparing two things, you use then. I'd rather watch a movie than go to a party. I'd rather cook at home than eat out.
I'd rather plus verb, then plus verb. Both base form.
Perfect. And here's what makes rather so useful. It shows your personality. It shows what you value.
How so?
Well, imagine your friend says, let's go clubbing tonight. And you say, I'd rather have a quiet night in. That tells me something about you. You prefer calm, peace, comfort.
Or if someone says, should we take a taxi? And you say, I'd rather walk. That tells me you enjoy being outside. Or maybe you're watching your budget.
Exactly. Rather isn't just grammar, it's self-expression.
I like that. Okay, now let's put all three together in real conversations. Because that's where they really come alive.
Yes, let's do a scenario. We're planning dinner.
Do you want pizza or burgers?
Either is fine. I'm not picky.
Okay, but I don't really like burgers.
I don't like burgers either. So let's do pizza.
Actually, I'd rather get sushi.
Wait, that wasn't even an option.
I'd rather create my own options.
And that, everyone, is how these three words work together. Either for flexibility, either for agreeing with negatives, neither for rejecting both, and rather for stating your preference.
Let's do one more. Imagine your boss says you can work on Saturday or Sunday.
If you're flexible, either day works for me.
If neither works for me, sorry. I have plans both days.
If you have a preference, I'd rather work on Saturday so I can rest on Sunday.
3 words. 3 completely different responses. 3 different attitudes.
Flexible, unavailable, preference. And your boss understands you clearly in each case.
That's the power of these words. They're small, but they give you control in conversation.
Now, let's do a quick correction round. I'll say a wrong sentence, you fix it.
Ready.
I don't like spicy food too.
I don't like spicy food either.
Neither I am ready.
Neither am I.
I would rather to stay home.
I would rather stay home.
I don't want neither.
I don't want either. Or, I want neither.
All 4. Perfect. If our listeners can get those 4 right, they're already ahead of most learners.
Okay, let's lock this in with our word tour.
Listen carefully, repeat out loud, and make these yours.
First one, either. Either has 2 uses. 1, it means also in negative sentences. 2, it's used for choosing between 2 options.
Example, I don't like cold weather either.
Or, you can have either the black one or the white one.
Repeat after me. Either.
Either.
Good. Next, neither. Neither means not this one and not that one. It rejects both options.
Example, neither answer is correct.
Or, I like neither tea nor coffee.
Repeat, neither.
Neither.
Next, neither do I. This is how you agree with a negative sentence in a more advanced way. The structure is neither, plus helping verb, plus subject.
Example, I can't drive. Neither can I.
Or, I didn't finish the book. Neither did I.
Repeat, neither do I.
Neither do I.
Now, would rather. This means you prefer one thing over another. The structure is would rather plus base verb, no to.
Example, I'd rather walk than take the bus.
Or she'd rather stay in tonight.
Repeat, would rather.
Would rather.
Next, either or. This pair is used when choosing between two options. Pick one.
Example, you can either call me or send me a message.
Or, we'll go either Monday or Tuesday.
Repeat, either or.
Either or.
Now, neither nor. This pair rejects both options completely. Not this, not that.
Example, neither the food nor the service was good.
Or, he speaks neither French nor Spanish.
Repeat, neither nor.
Neither nor.
Next, inversion. This is when you flip the verb and subject after neither. It's the pattern that makes you sound more advanced.
Example, instead of I don't either, you say neither do I.
Or instead of I can't either, you say neither can I.
Repeat, inversion.
Inversion.
Now, double negative. A double negative is when you accidentally use two negative words in one sentence. In standard English, this is incorrect.
Example of a mistake. I don't like neither of them.
Correct version. I don't like either of them. Or, I like neither of them.
Repeat. Double negative.
Double negative.
And the last one, preference. A preference is when you like one thing more than another. Would rather is the most natural way to express preference in spoken English.
Example, my preference is to work from home.
Or, everyone has different preferences, and that's okay.
Repeat, preference.
Preference.
And that's the word tour for today.
Come back and replay this section until these words feel completely natural. And try to use at least one of them in a real conversation this week.
Here's your challenge. In the comments, write 3 sentences. One with either, one with neither, and one with would rather. We want to see what you come up with.
If this episode helped clear up the confusion, subscribe, turn on notifications, and send it to that friend who still says, I don't like it too.
Help them fix that. They'll thank you later.
Take care of your grammar, your confidence, and your English.
This is Maya.
And this is Cole.
And you've been listening to Speak English Lo-Fi. See you in the next one.